Hi friends, I am your Joel John, and now I am going to do an unboxing video of what's that? Yeah, this is for credit card holder, and this is something which I purchased for myself. And don't show your credit cards in any social media because there are a lot of cyber criminals who may use who may be able to take out money using the details which you show. If something happens like that, immediately hotlist your card and give a report to your bank. Then I am going to do this uncovering video. Press the subscribe button below my video to subscribe. And here, as on all the Flipkart covers, you will have the mark where to cut, and you can cut there so that you can safely take out your product. Yeah. So this is something which I did on online shopping, because now even though the government relaxes, it's better to, and all these products when I ordered, the government didn't relax that much of course. It's better to purchase online because you will be stay home, stay safe, right? We have to work back once the government relaxes its norm, but still, yeah, I got it. Jungler. Yeah, this is the one I purchased. Okay, let me talk to you a little more details. So we have to prevent ourselves because the money which is involved for curing this disease is very, very high, and the treatment cost is so much. But now government is offering free, but still the government is also, we should not give that kind of burden to our government. So we have to wear face mask whenever you go outside. If you forget to wear face mask, because I forget a lot, I'll keeping it where you keep your house key, or put a notice on your home door where face mask can go outside, so that you will remember that. So now I am opening it out, taking that out as well. Share your valuable comments on the comment box below. So this is the one. Yeah, here they have given some sample cards as well to keep and show. This is a card they have given. This is a fantastic, beautiful leather, genuine leather. Okay, and here you have something like visiting card. Thank you for shopping with us, they have given. So these are the kind of credit card samples they have given for keeping it and checking. Okay, so in this itself you can keep, here they have given some emergency contact details, which has a contact number, email ID and postal address. These kind of emergency information, always have it on your bag. What I will suggest is write it on a paper and have one plastic cover. This they call it as transparent plastic cover, right? That kind of thing, and keep it inside and keep it on a different packet. Some people will have their God photo with that kind of cover. You would have seen that, but if I get a chance, I will show you that. On that backside, keep your emergency contact information, because I hear a lot of cases like where people get fainted on roads, get into accidents. So it will take time for them to contact your immediate people, right? So yeah, for that emergency details is very well and good. And your many company cards also have the emergency contact details, right? So these are the kind of credit card dummies they are given. If you look at that, this has lot of packets, and this has a pouch for placing visiting card as well. That is one of the main beauty of this. Okay, so I have some visiting cards. So I'm taking my visiting card. Just putting those aside. The main reason for having a pouch like this is, in corporate world or when you are in marketing, when you meet very high-fi people, they won't be comfortable if you take your full purse and there will be money and all those, right? It's not said to be a good manners to take that out when you are on a corporate meeting, but you have to give them all your cards, right? So for that, you have to use this kind of a pouch and have all your cards in here, so that this looks very, very decent. Okay, you see, you keep your pouch like this. This is very decent. If you take this out and take a card like this and say, give it to the person, sir, this is my card. So they will feel it very decent. So that's why this kind of thing is there. Also have your personal details on this pouch. Credit card, mostly these pickpocket people, they don't take your credit cards most of the times. Only very few do that. And don't write your credit card pin the backside of the card. Any fellow will take it. Okay. So don't do that. Have it on your memory. Have some simple numbers, but don't tell how simple you remember your number, and mainly not your bike number plate number. That's something anybody will try. The first try they do is the bike number plate number and your year of birth, and these kinds of things many people keep it, and these are the things that most of them try out. Keep some other different number. For example, instead of keeping your date of birth, try to keep someone some other day, your graduation day or something. Most of them won't remember the day or won't try the day, but still that's also not safe. You have to keep on changing. So try to improve your memory, okay? And so on that case this will be safe. So in this also you can keep your personal details and your emergency contact details, but still even this is not safe at some point of time. Looking at the size, they may steal it. So as I said that they will be having some god photo, right, on that transparent thing on that back of the side, or if you can only get the transparent thing, have your emergency contact details written on that. And most of the companies on their ID card they will have that, so that won't be a problem if you go out or and come at that time in between bike accident or something. And I am mainly saying for personal, when you go on a walk or something. And another one thing which you can keep it, most of the cashless cards which for the insurance they gave, that will be of plastic, so you can very well keep it on your pocket whenever you go. One thing, the hospital also will give you an immediate best treatment, as they know they can get the claims, and as claims are there, they will do an investigation whether they give only required treatment or unwanted treatment is given. So doctor also will be very conscious. Another one thing, contacting this insurance company, your personal family details, everything can be gathered by the police department. So if you have a medical insurance, cashless card or something, carry that always along with you, okay? So this one also I have shown to you, and thank you very much for your time. And now it's time to say bye. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share with your friends and relatives in social media, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. It's time to say bye. It's a Jojan J signing off from you. Bye.